Bakit Iloilo?
Bakit
Oo,
may
yung friends.
may
May
friend
friends
ako
there.
doon. I have a friend
Okay.
there. And it turned out to be a really beautiful place.
No, beautiful.
Yeah.
How do we call Iloilo? It's a city of love.
It's a
Hindi
city
ba?
of love.
Ikaw talaga, pinatotohanan mo na ito'y city of
Yun
love.
yung vibe ko yun. No?
Sandali. Sino naman itong kasama mo habang naglalakad ka sa... Ayan! Alam mo, Bibi, ano ito? Ano ang kwento dito?
Ewan ko rin, bakit ba kami naglalakad dyan? Baka naman sinasamahan lang niya ako kasi gusto kong maglakad-lakad sa dalampasigan.
Hindi, pero iba eh.
Di ba?
Iba yung body language mo eh.
Ganun ba?
Oo, parang eh. Parang may iba eh. Yung ganun mo, may iba. Talagang nilagyan ang ibig sabihin.
Nasa damit lang siguro, umaga,
Oo.
ganun.
Ayan oh. At saka, iba rin siya eh. Parang, naghawakan ba kayo ng kamay dyan?
Nagkawa ka na. Ay, pag umakit ako ng hagdan, inaalalayan naman niya ako.
Hindi nga. Kasi the last time you were here on the show, sabi mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Handa ka nang magmahal mo dito. And I
Yeah.
think, you deserve all the love. Really. From the bottom of my heart, as a friend, you deserve it all.
Oh, thank you very much. I think we all deserve to
Are
be
you?
to love and to
Of
be
course.
loved, no?
So are you loved now? Are you loving someone?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Are you on your way to getting there?
I
Ikaw,
feel
tayo-
so. Pero wala pa, wala naman. Para feeling ko lang, I'm just okay, let's do.
That's right. Ito naman, huli lang, hindi natin ito napapag-usapan. Kayo ni Mina, are you okay? Are you in touch?
We are not in touch,
But
but...
do you consider her as a friend? Si Carmina.
Okay, maybe not as a friend kasi
Okay.
we haven't really talked. But she always has that special place in my
Of
heart,
course.
I think. And then also, I think, kasi nung bago ako umalis papuntang Amerika to migrate already, magkapit-bahay kami niyan eh.
Oo.
Naging magkapit-bahay kami sa
Okay.
The Grove. And then we saw each other in the gym and that was the time na we were able to
always
exchange
be
hellos and
You'll
yeah.
always be friends.
But I've always looked forward to na makita siya ulit.
Ako ho
And
ang manager ni Bibi nung mga panahon na yon.
Nako,
I
oo.
mean, bahagi ako ng kwento ng iyong
yung
buhay.
bigla na lang akong pumupunta ng Davao.